Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the stock of the day, and again something a little bit different. This is SBH, okay, released earnings, okay. So released earnings, yes, before the market opened right around here, kind of choppy, got up, down, out, down, up, and then it started to move. Now why I'm bringing this to your attention, that this was actually an AI alert to go long. 1865, there was the candle, okay, right there. You can see there was the alert. Yes, did it get up to 1891? But when I saw this alert, I went into, and I was talking about this in the room. What you can't see is that the 200-day moving average is at 1925, so it almost got up there. And I said, you know, to me, it seems like it would really struggle to get through there, and also again through that 19. And I said, you know, I mean, this could turn into a very interesting short. And that's exactly what happened, okay? I mean, look at this move down. You know, even if you'd waited just up in this area and took that short, that was a straight down move from about 1870 all the way down to through 18 actually, before, you know, it's chopping around a little bit here. But, you know, my recommendation always about the AI is not infallible, okay? When I get an AI alert, I always check the chart. I want to see, is there any resistance if if it's telling me to go long something or suggesting to go long something. I'm looking to see if there's any resistance either chart-wise or that 200-day. I can always then, as a trader, make up my mind, say, you know what, even though, you know, the suggestion is go long, to me, this looks like a short, okay? So, you know, the machine is alerting you to the opportunity of the trade, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have to take the trade in that direction. If you see something on a chart that says, man, that looks like it could stall there. So I just want to bring that to your attention. You know, the AI, I mean, I like the idea. The AI alerts you to symbols that you may not see in other scans, and then you have to make up your mind, well, how do I want to trade this? Most of the time, you know, probably you're going to take the trade in the direction the AI is suggesting, but not always. So in this particular case, what a fantastic short that turned out to be. All right, I want to get back into the room. Now, in the email you're getting, you will see there is a link for the test drive. The test drive starts February 14th, runs to the 28th. That'll give you 10 trading days with us. Our premium service, it'll cost $11.11. So take advantage of that. People who always ask about a free trial, we don't have them. So we do this about 3 or 4 times a year. So you want to try us out for 10 trading days, sign up for the test drive. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.